Street and tuning.
That's right. That's it. Your cameo's done.
The bosses is at work, you know.
We in the building. Henny Black on deck. You know we out here like that, of course.
Yeah. What's goody, what's goody? Street Ink in the building. Main J, your boy, the all-star. The real big man is here too as well.
Know.
Feel me? You already know we about to get to it. The RSX. First we gonna pour it up a little something. You know, get a little drink in the system. Yeah. We're not with the rest of the team right now, but you know, it's something light for the street. You know.
So we're gonna do this RSX radio install.
That's right.
Subwoofer install. We got it apart a little bit. Got the old radio out. Cut the light on real quick, bro.
Yes, sir.
Got the radio out.
That's right. Just connected up the bezel, got it right, you know.
Ready to put the new one in soon. There's the old one.
This black is smooth.
Right?
Oh, man.
Talk about it.
I don't own the copyrights to this, guys, but yo,
Talk about
I
it.
might have to try that.
Black Henny, baby.
It's a little teaser.
Black Henny, baby. Get a subwoofer. You can't really see it, it's a little dark, but little Rockford Fosgate, 12-inch, 300 watt, all in one joint. Shit gonna boom. It's gonna boom. It might not boom like the RL, but it's gonna boom. We'll check on the RL real quick. Our old girl, you know she stay pretty. Boy, Main J in the mood right now, feeling the vibes. Feeling the vibes. Check our little baby real quick. You know what, y'all know her already. So it's nice to take a second look though.
That's right.
To get to work. I already know what it is.
Hey, I definitely salute on this one, man. Smooth, swift, clean. Don't got that burn in your chest aftertaste.
Word. It's perfect.
Hell yeah. Word. But we definitely gonna get into it, man. You know, a couple little other issues we're gonna take care of, you know. You know, we gotta take care of the exhaust and everything. Yeah, we're gonna have to get another gasket to go there and get some new bolts and tighten them back up, get it back on the road, and yeah, I can't wait till we actually go under construction with this bad boy.
Oh yeah. When that weather start breaking,
it's going down,
it's
yo.
Wrap.
It's going down.
It's a wrap.
You know what I'm saying? So I got a lot of details coming on the coupe, so you know I want you guys to stay tuned, and you know you're gonna see everything that I'm gonna do to it. The black coupe, the purple coupe. You know, we got a lot of other projects that's coming, so y'all just stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, do it all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep y'all in the mix with that. And we're gonna definitely get it there, you know what I mean? We got all our stuff. We're gonna get to working on the radio. Right now, we just having a little 1-2 chill time, and you know, we're gonna get to that soon. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna show y'all when we're about to get into that.
You gotta make sure it has speaker wires.
Yeah.
Because it might have AV jack for the speakers.
Yeah, all of them have an AV jack there.
Nah, but that harness, don't that harness hook up straight to those?
Yeah, it hooks,
splice in for all the speakers.
It's spliced into the original harness in the car for the speakers and everything.
Right.
As long as the radio works with the rest of the speakers, that's fine. We just gotta hook the system up to the AV jack.
Where's the harness for this shit?
Huh? It's right here.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, okay.
That goes into that right there.
So we tip that black piece off and then splice in.
Yeah.
Oh, you good then.
So I think we're pretty straightforward here now. Now I might need that that pliers and tape.
The pliers right on your right side on the floor.
Right here, and we got some electrical tape.
Should have some.
Right now I'm spicing out the wires, getting it ready to hook up into the double DIN. And then right after that,
I don't know if I showed them the double DIN yet.
yeah, show them the double DIN, let them see what that's about. And right now as you do that, I'm just going to take care of the spicing the wires, getting it sorted.
So this is the Android 7.1, I believe it is. Double DIN, 7-inch. Got the backup camera for it. We're not gonna install that today. But we got the backup camera. You know, full Android. You can't go wrong with full Android.
Word.
I'm gonna throw the subwoofer in later.
Definitely, we're gonna get to that. So I'm just taking care of this first, and once we do that, we're gonna move to the next phase, and y'all gonna see what that's about. Oh, in the building, man, in the building, yo.
Yeah,
This nigga out here, man. He took a ride out here, come check us, man. We out here like that.
You said the liquor store across the street?
Yeah, liquor store
Yes,
right
sir.
across the street, bro. What you want? You want to get something else?
Yeah, maybe.
What you want to get?
I don't know, nigga.
More Henny?
Maybe.
Let's go.
I'm trying to go, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Just looking at what you got in the box. Fuck is this? The oh, you got a rear view camera. Oh, this can hook up to that, right? You want the camera to hook up for the?
That shit would be nice. You might as well do this shit now too, right? Put it right above the license plate.
There's a hookup for the battery.
Let me figure that out now before we even do that, because I don't want to run into any bullshit.
Yeah, there got to be a hookup.
Where your box?
There's a whole bunch of shit in that kit back there. Just in the trunk.
What you doing right now, E?
Just getting this shit ready, nigga. Just getting this shit ready, nigga.
I fucking hate you, son. I ain't asking for me, nigga. I'm asking for YouTube, son.
That's perfect. Tell YouTube what I'm doing.
You know what?
You know what I'm saying?
We out here like that, man.
Yeah, tell YouTube exactly what I'm
We
doing.
out here like that. Niggas ain't got no chill, man.
We in here like that, man.
What you doing, man?
Like that.
You doing bullshit too?
Yeah, I'm doing
Yeah,
bullshit.
I figured that.
I'm trying to find it, but it's not.
Gotta be a connector for your
It's not coming up. So I have to figure out something else because
Yo, E, what you doing, man?
we waiting for your power wire to be fished through, dog. Waiting on me.
push that shit through.
Where we at with it?
Just waiting, bro. How we looking?
We're not looking good yet.
Yeah.
It's dark down there, man.
You gonna run it through this first?
Yes, because the way it's set up in there, I gotta fish it through there.
For real?
Yeah. So if I fish it through here.
Nah, dog.
No, I got it. Trust me. Me do this before my life. Come over here. I need some light.
Ain't no boot in this bitch.
Yo, come over here, Miss Sick.
Yo, the Acura, like, yo, man, your Acura, bro, got a rubber boot just underneath the driver's side, yo, a nice rubber cap.
Exactly, and it's right here.
Shit makes sense.
Just right.
This shit don't make sense.
Nah, dog.
No?
You don't got no rubber boot in your shit.
You just put it
Watch
through.
it. Move your blows.
Put it through your reach, yo. There you go.
Alright, wait, don't pull it like that, don't pull it like that.
Yeah, don't pull it like that.
Let's pull off his fucking shit one time.
What
Let's
up?
just run through. Run it through the engine. Pull off his fuse cover, that's engine. Damn, yo. I ain't eat, yo. I ain't eat all day, yo.
Yo, we have a whole bunch of spots for you to eat.
Yo, the fuse cover.
20.
Alright, so what you think? We should run it, because the way I'm gonna run this clean is gonna be.
Just keep pulling.
Pull?
Yeah, pull. Alright. You got zip ties, bro?
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead. Hook that part up. I'm gonna start running this towards the back.
Yeah, you gotta pull off all them covers, man.
Huh?
Fuck that, my covers don't even go back on properly. I broke all the fucking clips,
What
everything.
cover?
All of them, nigga.
Oh, wait.
No covers, nah. Don't even get in my car, nigga.
No. What fucking cover is
Nah, all my plastic clips are broken. Like all of, like that cover,
Yeah.
like it pops up, but there's also like 3 clips that it slides into. I didn't know it slides in and then it clips down.
Oh.
I mean, you got hella shit off your positive, so we can always put this on anything. You in the building. You got some electric tape?
Yeah, I got it right here, bro. Go ahead.
Whoa.
need a zip tie actually.
I don't know. I did ask Carl for the case.
But hold on.
Look, I just talking my hand. Wait.
Go ahead, give it to me.
Take one.
I'm good right now.
Everybody wants zip ties, but nobody wants zip ties.
Wait. Yeah. It's because I'm trying to get this right.
They taking them.
They want it, son. They just want to make sure it's on deck.
Yeah, word.
I get it. All right, it's on deck.
Hey, Kyle.
Yo.
I think you should keep these seats folded down.
Oh, with the speaker in, I probably will. Nobody sit back there anyway.
Just do like the Hellcat and do a rear seat delete.
Yo,
Yo, eat it, son.
yo, let me tell you
What?
something. I'm sorry, but any of my two-door cars, rear seat delete. That's real shit.
Give me the fuse box, the fuse cover.
Yeah.
No. Oh, yeah, this is.
That's
Alright,
another piece
man.
to it, too.
Just watch me, make sure I don't fuck nothing up.
Damn, son. I gotta watch you too.
Don't worry, I'll come look over it.
Nah, where the zip ties? These are long ass zip ties.
Nah, I ain't really got no shorts.
I just want to run them.
The shorts that I got is some old clear shorts.
Yeah, whatever. It's going underneath your hood.
Those, you want those right there?
Yeah.
You can always snip these though.
I guess. But that's a waste.
I'm gonna run it straight to.
I handcuff somebody with these shit. Shit's long as hell.
You short? Nah, I don't like that. Dude.
You don't like what?
That shit's. Alright, let me see.
What don't you like?
Alright, never mind. You good.
Go away, Kyle.
Cause that battery
and
not
this
that
is
battery not solid in that
Oh,
spot.
for real?
It should be moving around.
Zip
Put some
tie
zip
it
ties.
Alright, we
You got
can do
some
that.
zip tie?
Yeah, I got zip
So we're
ties.
gonna put some zip ties
Got
here.
zips for days, man.
Because what's gonna happen is when I go to the junkyard in Jersey, we're gonna go over there like what we did the other day,
Right.
like the time we did, and walk the yard and just take one. So for that, this is just for now, and
No, you straight, dog.
yeah, you see, Eden run the wire
That's
here.
what-
He put the joint here.
Let me
Don't
see,
get
let me
it
see.
twisted, guys. Eden know his shit, man. So don't sit here and try to play him in the comments if y'all gonna do that.
They gonna play me in the comments? This
Nah, they ain't gonna play me in the comments, man.
show me some love.
I mean, we need the negative and the positive
Yeah, we
to
want
make
it all.
shit work.
We want it all, son.
It looks clean.
Yeah,
right?
he do his thing,
But we're
son.
gonna do it a little better later on down the line.
It's good to have slacks, though.
Yeah, it's good to have some slack so we could play around with some room and all that. So that's pretty straightforward. All right. So now that the power wire is
That's
ran,
all I was gonna say. You should always do an 8 gauge, though, bro. Just in case, because underneath here is that heat, at least for the power wire. Even
Right.
If you're gonna go, regular for any other wire, that's fine. But at least for the power wire, either a 1
like that.
gauge.
That's 8 though, no?
I like that. I'm sorry.
Or 4.
Oh yeah. I was gonna do 4, but I bought up the block. There's a new audio shop that
Yeah,
opens
this
up
is
the
the
block.
one the audio shops be selling.
I like how E did this right here.
He's a fucking
so
man,
guys,
son.
you know,
Straight.
it's pretty swift, clean. You know what I mean? Let us know what it is, but I like it.
And look, we just gonna tap it right here. We gonna put it on
Yeah, that's
right
it.
underneath
Just
here.
Tap it right there. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, and we good. You know what I'm saying? That's that. So now we're gonna just move on to the back because I already ran the wire through the car to the back. So now we're gonna move to the back.
Yeah, we put this adapter. Oh, we gotta do a ground, bro. We gotta.
Yeah, we're gonna run the ground.
Yeah, you don't got a remote wire on here. You gonna need a remote though, cause it's gonna continuously drain power. You can run a remote. Let me see. In the building. Blue.
Oh, that blue light mean. Ooh, that power.
But turn it off again.
Yes, sir. Turn it off. Show them.
Off.
Off.
Right.
And back on.
Oh yeah,
right.
there we go.
You know what I'm
We
saying?
in a building now,
We're in the building like that. You
like
feel me?
that.
And that's Eden right there. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's
Audio
the
tuner right there,
You
man.
know what I mean?
Let's run this knob real quick.
Shut the head unit. We ain't pop it in yet, but there it is. Subwoofer ran. Sounds good. We'll give it a little test bump in a minute.
Yeah. We back at you real quick.
See that?
We just got the double din installed. As you can see, the faceplate is on. Everything works. You know, it's an Android, basically touchscreen joint. You know, everything could do what it do. Everything works, everything wired up properly. We got the amp in the back with the sub. We're gonna show you that in a few minutes. But we just want to show you that everything works here. Everything is installed with a new bezel. So it's pretty lit. So we're just gonna give you a little preview of what it is.
Yeah, this is official.
Yeah. There you go, guys. The subwoofer. Has
It's a little dark.
amp. This thing is a 12-inch, and yeah, everything is hooked up. So you know, make sure when you're dealing with these things that you take your time. You don't want to work too fast because a lot of things will be different from like a EK coupe and an EG coupe. It won't be just straightforward. You might have to, you know, do a little bit of finessing here and there with the wiring or whatever. Yeah, it's pretty much straightforward like the older cars to me, so it's not really a problem. But for anybody else, you might want to, you know, just take your time out and go through the steps, do what you gotta do. Don't work too fast because you're gonna mess around and miss something if you work too fast. So just take your time and it'll be all good because it'll pay off and you won't have to go back over it again. You know what I mean? So the box is here.
Box is in.
12. Ignition is on. You see the box is on. If we turn it off, the blue light goes off. Of course, the system, the double denizen is already connected. Everything's ready to go. So, you know, just to make sure that everything is working, like I said, just check your work. Make sure that you do not go over everything too quick, because if you do, you will miss something. Make sure you take your time, spice your wires, do it, whatever you have to do to get the job completed. Just do it in a time fashion and get it done, because, you know, some things could be complicated. This is not an OBD1 car, it's OBD2, so just take your time, do what you gotta do. If it's a customer car you gotta do, make sure you get it done in an orderly fashion. Stay tuned, we got everything coming, you know, just did a little system upgrade and all that, you know what I mean? Stay tuned for the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna keep y'all tuned when my car is coming out, the black coupe, the purple coupe, other projects to come. So y'all gotta stay tuned. We got somebody, a new guest. We're not gonna introduce them now, but we're gonna introduce them in the next video. And we're gonna get to that. So I'll see y'all later.